Ashfall Citizen Science is a program aiming to demystify fire, relying on volunteers. This is a collaboration between DRI, UNR, and you. And all you need is a smartphone and a common object like a ruler to participate. Many people notice ashfall on their cars when they wake up, or maybe when there's a fire nearby and the car has been parked at work for a while. I'm going to demonstrate just how to take photos of ashfall for this program. So first thing you need to do is open the browser in your phone where you would Google something and navigate to citizensciencetahoe.app. It'll ask you to create a login or sign in, and then you can scroll down to the Ashfall Citizen Science survey. There are quite a few questions in the survey, and the one that I'm going to demonstrate right now is how to take a photo of ash that's fallen, for example, on a flat surface like the hood of the car. We ask you to include a common object like a ruler or a coin because we use it for a sense of scale. So that's the first pro tip for taking great ashfall photos. The other pro tip is to orient the phone horizontal to the surface. So we don't want them like this because it distorts the scale or the size of the ash. We want it directly above, just like this. Doesn't matter how far away you're taking that photo. And you can just upload it and send it to us. Thanks.
Hi everybody, Neil Leroux from the University of Nevada, Reno here. Megan's done a great job explaining the sorts and types of observations that we want to collect with the Citizen Science Tahoe app, looking at these ashfall particles. What I'm going to do is explain to you a little bit about how these will contribute to advancing our understanding of wildfires and their hazards. What I'm showing here is a radar animation of a large wildfire plume coming off of the Caldor fire as it impacted areas around South Lake Tahoe. Weather radars are great for giving us an understanding for the structure and evolution of these plumes, but there's some real scientific mysteries about what these radars are really seeing inside of the plume, and that's where your observations come in. Your observations of ashfall will give us more quantitative information about what is actually contained in these plumes and help us develop models for understanding what the radar is showing us and potentially predicting things like where spot fires will start due to embers falling out of these plumes, evading fire lines, and causing threats to both firefighters and society. It will also give us insights into hazardous winds that are generated by wildfires, including potentially deadly fire-generated tornadic vortices, which have been an increasing threat in wildfires in the recent years in the Western United States. So thanks for contributing to our science that's sponsored by the National Science Foundation.